Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making our last Christmas cake of the year, and this one is a Christmas tree lights cake. Yeah, like the flashing lights you would put up on like your house. Yeah. So let's get started.
I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some black fondant. I was going for the effect of looking at a decorated house in the night when it's all lit up, so I wanted the background to be black. I smoothed it on with my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I made a whole bunch of colorful balls. I started with yellow, then orange, then red, and finally blue. I put the colored balls along the bottom of the cake. Then I made some little white balls. Sorry for the kids coming in and out of the frame in the background. But so far I don't think it's obvious that it's supposed to be Christmas. I used a fondant press mold to make the words Merry Christmas out of white fondant. I wanted it to look like a white neon sign. I placed the words in the middle of the cake. And I placed the white balls on the edge of the cake. So I'm not sure the effect comes across that I was going for, but I am pretty happy with this non-traditional Christmas cake. Maybe I could have put more lights on it, but Merry Christmas anyway. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Support us on Patreon and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.